In this video, we're going to look and see how floor plans and 360-degree photospheres can be used to provide a highly visual environment to manage facilities and asset data. So on the screen in front, we've basically got a floor plan, and we've clicked on one of the camera positions to open up a 360-degree photosphere, which is on the right-hand side of the screen. As you can see, we can zoom in on the details of the floor plan on the left, and on the right-hand side, we've opened up the photosphere, which means that we can click on some of the markers, and we can see that that actual marker on the left-hand side in terms of its location on the floor plan. So the two environments are completely in sync and integrated together. Once we're in the photosphere, we can pan and zoom. The photosphere is basically using technology used in Google Street View, but we've brought this approach inside buildings. Because the two environments are connected, we can do queries in the photosphere to return certain types of information depending on what we're searching for. And as you can see there, there's also the camera position at the far end of the room. So if we click on that, and we virtually walked to the other end of the room. And again, by clicking on the markers, we can see their position on the floor plan on the left-hand side. Once in the photosphere, we can pan it around, and if we look back to the other end of the room, this is where we came from with the original starting camera position there. So we click on that, and we're now back at the beginning in terms of where we were when the whole process started. Photospheres can also be used externally, for example with site plans, or as in this example with a roof survey plan. This is great in terms of communicating the results of roof surveys, not only to internal staff but also to external contractors, or if you're actually undertaking the survey yourself on behalf of a client, to communicate with them the results of that survey in a highly visual way. So in summary, in terms of the benefits of this approach, combining the two-dimensional floor plan or site plan with a 360-degree view gives you the best of both worlds, really. You get the 50,000-foot view from the two-dimensional plan so that you can see assets or facilities or service requests across the whole of a building in one easy, intuitive view, and also see different types of data in terms of its context with each other. For example, facilities requests and maybe incidents or accident data across that particular floor of a building. The 360-degree view supports collaboration between internal staff and also external staff or contractors, and supports the ability to virtually walk the estate by moving from room to room. This also has another benefit in terms of increasing the involvement of stakeholders by helping them to understand exactly the work of the facilities team. So, for example, you could use it as a very easy way of illustrating the condition of a particular part of the building environment. The whole approach in terms of this use of visualization saves staff time and effort by making it much easier to actually manage the data and intuitively understand it alongside a built-in graphical reporting suite of tools as well. So that's the overview of the video. If you'd like any more information, please reach out to us at artuity.com or give us a call at the office. The number's on the screen now. Thank you.